What up, traders? It's Wednesday, about 4 o'clock. I didn't take any trades today, but I did take some trades yesterday, and I want to dive into those right now. So the first one was crude oil, all right? So the plan for crude oil, that's what we're looking at right now. The plan for crude yesterday off the open was look for a break and hold above 58.17, all right? And sure enough, pre-market, we got the break above 58.17. Now we're looking for an entry, right? So pre-market, we did get the first entry right there, which was a little too small of a pullback for my liking, so I didn't take the trade there. I actually waited till the open, and we saw momentum shifted a little bit, all right? So we saw price start to move pretty fast, and it tested that 58.17 and wicked it, all right? So that was my entry right there. I actually got filled about 58.24. If we look on Thinkorswim, we'll see my exact entry. As we can see, no trades today. But if we scroll into yesterday, we can see that I took a first position right off the open at 9 o'clock at 58.28. That went into profit almost immediately and then pulled back the next 15 minutes and retested that 58.18, all right? So on this trade, my 58.28 entry, I had to stop here at 58.16, all right? So that one right here, I was kind of, just sitting on my hands, not touching the trade, just going to let my stop take me out. But sure enough, it held that 58.18 again, and I didn't touch the trade. I let it rock with my targets at 58.56, all right? And I actually added one more contract once my level was tested again. So that was another confirmation for me that price was holding above this level. So I actually added to that, and that was a great spot to add. And I had a target at 58.56, but price was taking some time, and it wasn't really, buyers weren't showing me enough strength for me to hold this. So I kind of had 58.56 as a first target, but then as I saw that buyers were having trouble pushing higher, I figured, hey, this might be the final destination for the day. So I actually put my limits a couple ticks below 58.56, and sure enough, they got filled at around 9:50, right before 10 a.m. I exited both contracts there, and I top ticked it. That was that. But yeah, that was part of the plan. First target was 58.56 if price can hold above 58.18 on the day at the open, and that's exactly what happened. Stuck with the plan, took the trade, exited at the targets, and that was a great process day. And that the P&L doesn't matter. I'm not even going to mention how much I made on the trade. I just like focusing on the process behind the trade, because the only thing that's going to change as I have more money in my account is just the P&L. If all I got to do is the same thing, only thing that's going to change is the number, if that makes sense. Sure it does. But then after this, we took a Usdjpy trade. So that was the crude trade, went flat at the target there at 58.56, and then Usdjpy. So yesterday we took this trade as, let me go down on a 5-minute chart, and we actually closed this one today at final target 109,600. So we top ticked this one too. So pretty nice end to the week into the holidays, So let's talk about the entry on this one. All right, so we have price on Monday overnight session during London. We got the breakout above our value area. I woke up around 6, 7 looking at this. Then New York session opens up around 8, right at 8, and then we were watching a break above this 108,960. That was part of the game plan that I sent out, and sure enough, it held this one. It actually broke out and was holding, kind of like just consolidating at this 108,960, and we ended up taking a long right here on this push through 108,960. All right, and we took a little heat right here, came back, looked like we were gonna, this trade wasn't gonna work out, but sure enough, we let our stops do the work. We didn't touch it, and the trade worked. Trade worked out. We actually closed that today, so we held it overnight. We had our first targets at 109.06, so that was hit right here on yesterday, Tuesday, at around 9:30, and then the next target was hit during London, I believe, and then this morning we took it off, or not this morning, this afternoon around like 2ish, we just took it off at 109.6. All right, so that was the USDJPY trade. You saw the crude oil trade. Those are the only trades of the week. And it was good to two trades to end the week into Thanksgiving. So that's about it. Just kept it simple, stuck to the plan. Great execution this week, and looking forward to moving that into the next upcoming weeks. All right. So hope you guys enjoyed this little trade review, and happy Thanksgiving. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.